Hello, my name is Tommy Guile, and today I will be discussing polymerization for the use of radicals. In order to do radical polymerization, we need to develop a radical first, which we can do using a peroxide, where they will split off right here, and they'll form our radical that we have here. And then you also need to do this with either H-nu or heat as well. After this initiation step, the radical and electron from this peroxide will come and form a bond from the double bond here on our reactant, and that other electron from there will go on and create the radical on the carbon. This will cause there to be a linkage here with the peroxide in the molecule, which will form that radical there on the carbon. And now that we have that, we can use a lot of propagation steps with the thing we started at the very beginning, and use that double bond to break and have one of the electrons come and form the radical here on the carbon, as well as the other electron coming and forming a bond with the radical from what we had just made. Now that propagation step could continue on and on for hundreds of thousands of times to create the full polymer, but I'm just going to stop at the dimer here and go to the termination step, where another one with a radical will come in with what you have already just made, and the radicals, both the electrons, will go and form a bond together. So eventually we'll create this final product of the polymer through radical polymerization, where there'll be a peroxide on each end, as well as we have this new bond that formed between both those reactants from the radicals. In conclusion, in order to do radical polymerization, you still have to go through the three main steps of using radicals as an initiation, propagation, and termination, and by doing this you can form the long polymers that you desire. Thank you.